everyone, so for today's video, another day, another video. And for today's video, let us demonstrate to you how to do budding. So first of all, you should prepare all the materials needed, like pruning shears, cutter, or budding knife, and then cellophane or ice water cellophane. After, we should proceed to find a budding stick, and in that budding stick we pick one of the bud eye so that we can use it to perform the tea budding. And then like this one, this is our desired budding stick. So after we cut this budding stick, let us remove first the leaves. But in removing leaves, be sure that this part will be removed and this one will be remain. And then after that, we proceed to the rose stock. So guys, here we are here in the rose stock, but first we should clean the surrounding first. We use this cutter to do the inverted T. At this part, let's make an inverted T. By doing this, be sure that your fingers are safe. And then just do it like this. So after we do the inverted T, let us remove this bud eye. So after we cut this inverted T, we remove this bud eye or budding eye. In removing the budding eye, it should be like this. Like that, and then carefully remove it from the budding stick. Good day everyone. Today we got okay, so this is our budding eye, and then insert it in the inverted T like that.
Second is the selection of rootstock. So this is the rootstock that.
So after we insert the budding eye, we use this cellophane to tie this budding eye. So be sure that in putting this cellophane, it will prevent the water to stuck here. So this is our finished output. So we've done in budding. But lastly, we should put a label. So guys, we're done in performing budding. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more agricultural videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.